Welcome back to another episode of With Gus, and today we're looking at blacksmith's grinding stone. So we have to build maybe a table or some sort of housing for this thing, and then it's also got to be half submerged in water just at the bottom. So it needs to be a tray that can fit under there to keep the wheel wet as it's rotating. And we also need to find an electric motor to power it with a V-belt drive. So this is it. You can see it spins, and then you can grind your chisels and other things on that to get an edge. It's got a double V-belt drive here, so we're going to have to find a motor to sit at the back with the belt running through here, and it's also got to be able to be tensionable. We've also got to find a different stand for it, and then make sure we can, which I think I've got here, this will be a tray that should just slot it under there, and we can fill it up with water. As with anything old, a bit of WD-40 and a brush goes a long way. So you just work in a bit of oil in some places that spin. Just giving it a little bit of a tidy up, but I think I might even convert it to a hand crank wheel. So you can hand crank it here and then grind it there. I think I might add to the handmade blacksmithing hand forged aesthetic. So I've just found an old drawbar and attached a bolt with just a spinning sort of sheath over it. It's pretty clunky. I probably will replace it. So I got rid of that heavy drawbar idea, and I'm going to rethink it. So I might make a custom little plate. I think it's going to be a lot shorter. I've just put this clamp on so I can get an idea of how long the bar has to be for good acceleration and control. See, out here it's too long, but I think the bar's only got to be 100 mil. So these are old railway joining sort of angle iron. Now I don't have any tools in the shed that can drill good holes in steel like this, so I've really got to get creative and just find holes that I can work with. So this hole in here will go on the drive shaft of the grinding stone, and then I'll weld a bolt or something onto here, and then we can use that. And here's the handle, which is just the plate, and I've just welded a bolt onto here. Bolt runs underneath, and it's got a rotating top handle, so it's a lot better. But easy to use, not as clunky, and a bit lighter. Now to make a stand. So here it is, hand-powered grinding stone with its own little water bath in the bottom. Keep it nice and lubricated. And that's it. Another job in the shed done.